Founded in 1985, E10 was an electronics manufacturing company based in Taiwan, specializing in sophisticated handheld devices such as smartphones. Since 2004, the company produced devices under its brand, and in 2006 introduced their new Glofiish line of smartphones. In March 2008, Acer announced that it would buy E10 for $290 million. After the buyout, the E10 brand was discontinued, and the Acer name was used on all future products. E10 Phones Evolution 2004 to 2008. 2004. He300. He700. He300B. M500. (2005) M600. (2006) G500. M600 Plus. G500 Plus. M550. Glofiish X500. Glofiish M700. (2007) Glofiish X800. Glofiish X500 Plus. Glofiish X600. Glofiish M800. (2008) Glofiish X650. Glofiish M810. Glofiish M750. Glofiish DX900. Glofiish X900. Glofiish V900. Glofiish X610. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to the channel.